Ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you here to our channel. So I'm Samuel and today is Sunday. It's my pleasure to tune in here, but I'm having a technical problem. If you see, I tune in a little bit late because I don't know. I'm not sure that you guys are hearing me. So my microphone was not working, and now I decided now to launch our session like that. So today is the 4th, January the 4th, and it's my pleasure to tune in here. I'm tuning in a little bit late. We're supposed to have our recap, our yearly recap, but I've been trying, working hard to, connect, but things was hard. Maybe, I don't know, we're gonna skip it today. I'm not sure. So, let me welcome those in front. Mesdames et messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue sur notre chaîne. Je suis Samuel et aujourd'hui c'est dimanche le 4 janvier. Je suis désolé de me connecter un peu tard. On devait avoir une récapitulation de l'année aujourd'hui, mais j'ai eu des problèmes techniques que j'essaie d'arranger, mais malheureusement, ça ne s'arrange pas. J'espère que vous me suivez. Donc, nous allons commencer notre soirée. Il est presque 19h ici, temps de New York, 19h. Donc, c'est un plaisir pour moi de commencer ici. So, trader, we're not going to have rare day that, we don't have a recap. Maybe we're going to have it along during the session. But let's see. This is our daily chart here, which I'm going to put here. You see, our daily chart, briefly daily chart. You can see it here on daily chart. We're moving up, so we need to be careful where we're going. Let's see here 4 hours. We see a 4 hours here, very huge 4 hours. So we don't need to where we're going. So now we can see that we have a big momentum, very big range. Need to be careful. It's 7 here. So let me now go to our 5 minutes here. Very big range. On va voir, nous avons le grand range ici. Gotta be careful. Moving up. Breaking now. Let's wait and see. Let's see. Let's see. I have a technical problem here. I don't have my speaker don't sound here. Don't have any sound on my speaker. I hope my microphone is working perfectly. That is why I was trying to fixing it, but I couldn't. I hope my microphone is working perfectly. That is the reason why we don't have a recap, yearly recap, But I tried to do it. It was the 31st, or it was the 24th of December. I'm not sure. But anyway, I think I did it. I did part of it already. But anyway, we're going to talk about it. But briefly, I can tell you guys that we finished the year. Now we started a new year now, 2026. We don't know what 2026 going to be. But when we analyze what we had on the 2025, we started our journey January the 1st, and now it's 1 year, a few days now. So we can say that it's been a big challenge for us. It wasn't easy, but we did what we have done. Out of 12 months, we have 9 consecutive months in red and 3 months in green. So the 9-month red month was January till from January till September, and now we took October, November, December. Those 3 months was the green month for us, which we really appreciate. Hopefully, we're taking over again. Started again the new year. We don't know what we're gonna have. Hopefully, we'll have a good continuation. Even though things doesn't work perfectly, but we already know that we're making some progress here. Yeah. Let's see. Today is Sunday, new week. We started. Let's see. Je disais que Je n'ai pas pu faire la récapitulation de l'année. Aujourd'hui, j'avais l'intention de le faire, mais j'ai eu des problèmes techniques. Mon volume est tout à fait parti. Mais le baffle ne parle pas. Donc j'ai essayé de travailler dans ce... Et non, c'est un peu d'arranger, mais jusqu'ici, je n'ai pas pu. Ça s'est passé à la dernière minute. Peut-être 35 minutes avant le début. Voilà. Donc, néanmoins, on comprend que dans tout le mois, je me suis battu. 9 mois au rouge et 3 mois au vert. Nous espérons que ce mois, cette année-ci, des choses vont s'améliorer. Nous espérons. Voilà. So, let's see. We're now having a momentum here. Need to be careful. I don't know till where this momentum going to stop. Big momentum here. So we have a break on CHF. Not trade yet. See a big momentum on euro. US also, big momentum. Want to see pull back and retest. Can check a long position. I don't know what we're gonna get next. C'est parce que ma chiffre là. As I was talking here, trader. This is what we did this month. I mean this December. It's not too fancy, but it's there. We're in green. You know, I give back. You know, some the last day. Yep, I gave the last day a lot, but I have more than that. That is why we said that we have to be careful. Sometimes we can give back all our profit. You know, you can see here the curve here. I was on top here. I give back down, went back down here. So that was our daily win, 59 and 47. You know, that is what we did. You can see here our calendar here, trader. See that the day we lost, a winning day is there are almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 9 here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 day losses. First week we made this, the second week we lost this, third made this. This is the week, fourth week, and now we lost that the last day we lost, which I'm talking about. So that is what we did for that year. I mean that month. So I need to check now to go to our calendar to see our monthly, our yearly, to see what we did. Keep moving up. Let's see. I want to enter my trade here on. I want to enter again. I want to take gold here. I'm entering gold and place my stop below on gold here. I'll place my stop on gold below here, trader. In case it come back there. There is my stop there, here. And my target gotta be here. So almost 1 to 1. almost 1-to-1. So took a go. If you move here, break here, I may add in my position. So that's it. I'm also on my swim trade, Australia, New Zealand for the short. So Australia, New Zealand here for the short. Let me see Australia, New Zealand. I'll try to come down. Let's see. I see a Dory here for the change of direction. I'm not sure if can have it. Trader. I'm not sure. This kind of momentum, I'm a little bit skeptical. You know, I'm not sure that we can have a pull down here. I see a Dory here, but I need to see a confirmation if it can keep coming down. Maybe we may see also some kind of reversal here at the 20. So I'm not sure. Let me see Australia, New Zealand here. Let me see Australia, New Zealand. Australia, New Zealand. I took for the buy. Yes. So buy position, uptrend. I show you guys Australia, New Zealand here. This is Australia, New Zealand. So I expect this trade to move here, above here, so that I can add in my position. That is why I expect if I add here, come above, I'm going to add in my position. Australia, New Zealand. So I'm there on the long. All right. So let's see what gold gonna do. Took a long position. Gold came back in my entry point. I took it for a long position. Nice. Let me also see my other position here. So I'm here also on two other positions. I'm on the Euro card. Also Australia, New Zealand, yes. Euro card also as well. So those are my two positions. I'm trying to see if maybe this is just a macro pullback on those pairs. I will wait it to come back to the 20 here so that I can enter for the long. Because I don't feel comfortable to go short here with this kind of momentum. I'm going to wait if I can come back to the 20 for me to go long. I'm going to follow the trend. So I feel comfortable to take this trade. If you come to the 20 here, now enter for the long position. I gotta see to enter the trade, and I'm trying to see if we can. But if I could see Australia turning around, so we're moving slowly. I'm gonna enter the trade here and place my stop below. But I could have this trade. I could have, you know, feel more comfortable if the trade could have come back to the 20. I think I have to stick on it. You know, I have to stick on that. You know, that idea. The trade could have come to the 20. It's better for me to enter the trade. You know, than chasing it up like that. I need to stick on my first idea to wait for the trade to pull back to the 20 if possible. Like Australia is pulling back now. Come here. Now I reject. I can feel now comfortable to go long. Because chasing the trade up like that, I may have problem. You know, it's not a very good entry for me. So I come in to the 20. No trade yet. Let's see if Australia going to come to the 20 and hold. Want to see a big rejection at 20. saw here this dotty was a fake one. We're thinking here that since we have a dotty here, we're going to have a change of direction, but we don't have it. So we got to understand that sometimes, those candlestick pattern don't work. Sometimes they don't. So let's see. I haven't seen entry here, trader, that away. I'm going to enter here, short here, just a little bit. If it turn over, just took those two. My stop is just here, close, very small quantity. If it turn over, I'll be getting out of the trade. No problem, because you never know what may happen. But I know we are on the uptrend, big uptrend. I don't know. I'm just trying to see. If we move up, I take a lot there. Very small one. You don't do anything. So to trade. Let me check if there is a news. Let me check the news here. So that case, I'm going to, this is where I wanted to go long at this level here. Let me check if we have any news here. Monday, yeah, we have a news. News came at 4. US, okay. Yes. PMI. This is US manufacturer PMI. So expected 48. Yeah, there was more news today. Let me see here. Yeah, we have small news today. Maybe that is what affecting the market at this time. So that indicate the mixing now. So nothing major. Let's see. I took just 2 trades. I want to see US breaking those EMA here, EMA and SMA. For technical analysis, I want them to get broken. And if you come below here, now I can take short as well on Australia. I want to enter this one here and place my stop above trader. I don't want it to go too far. Place my stop here. Enter Australia. Yeah, it's good, you know. Yeah, bro. You know, trading is probability. It's good. You can go long. You know, trading is probability. Each person have to do what his mind tell him to do according to his analysis. You know, I'm just trying. I took a very tiny quantity, very small. You know, I know we are on the uptrend. You know, the right way, the right thing to do is to go long. I know that. If it come back up, it kick me out, I will be out. But I took a small quantity, very tiny one, because I know that I'm going against the trend. But you never know, trader, you never know. That is what I'm trying, you know. I know I'm wrong going short at this kind of trend. I know it. I took small, just small to test the water. If you kick, that is what I place my stop here. I enter, placing my stop too close. If you kick me out, I will be out of the trade. You know, I take a small loss, I move, you know, move on. I know it's good. If you took a long, you can stick on your long, you know, you hold it. We don't know what the market is going to do. Nobody knows. You take whatever your heart tells you to take, and that's it. You know, you never know, because we may have a. Normally, I was expecting this trade to come on the 20 and on the 20 EMA here, and so that I can take a long position. Normally, it's a long position I was expecting to take here. But let's see. If he reverse, I will be happy, because I have my 3 trade here. I haven't entered those 3. I took just 3 here. The 3 remain here for me to see. If he reverse, I can take those 1 for long, you know, in case he reverse, you know. That is what I just entered 3 trade at this time, because I don't know. Nobody knows. No matter the analysis you do here, sometimes they don't work. Analysis don't work. That is why don't start with the full quantity. That is why I always say don't go full. Take small. Test the water. If you want to go with 1 lot, just take maybe, why not 1/3? You know, If the trade take your direction, you can add another one, you add again. But instead to take very huge position, what is true is that it's hard to take the bottom on the top. When the trade just pull back a little bit with you, that's it, you're out. Because you can't hold it. So take small, try the water, test the water with small quantity is good. Voilà. Je disais que très important de tester l'eau, un tout petit peu, une petite quantité. On ne sait jamais ce qui va se passer. Non, personne ne sait ce qui se passera dans le marché, au marché. Donc, tu prends petit, tu testes. Si ça prend, ça monte, tu ajoutes l'autre. Au lieu de prendre une très grande quantité d'un seul coup, si ça ne marche pas, ça vous prend beaucoup d'argent pour rien. C'est pas ça. Donc, j'ai pris 3 trades seulement. Je vais voir ce que ça va faire. I have 3 trades here. Let's see. If you're on the long position, in the long, you hold it. It's good because this short long. But if you are also in the short, you hold it, you wait. Nobody knows. But we are on the uptrend. Normally, it's good to go long, but market never fair. That is the problem. Market is very, very complicated things, Sometimes you follow your trend. That is the day you're going to lose because you follow the trend. If I get stopped out, it won't damage my account because I just took a very, very tiny, just 3 trade, tiny quantity, small. It's not much because we don't know what we don't know. The market is uncertain. No matter the analysis you make, you'll never be right. 100%. You might be right now, but tomorrow you do the same thing, same analysis, same pattern, and now the outcome is different. Why? Because people are trading behind the scene. They are different people. They play differently. You just go in by moving average on the 15 chart, but I also have second position long gold. So hopefully one of the two. Yeah, me too. I have a goal. I just entered goal for the long. I show you guys a few minutes ago. I'm in goal for long. It's working. For example, gold. Let me show here. Gold when it broke here. The last time gold came here, he kicked here. It went down. I was expecting the short. I entered here when he rejected. He came, he stopped me out here. He broke here. I didn't chase it. I didn't chase gold. I didn't chase it. I was expecting gold to come back to retest here. And gold came and retest here and rejected and turned around. Now I went long. This is a good things. I can even add here my position. I'm adding a goal again. I'm adding goal and my target is here above trader. So that is how I trade, Adding my position on gold. There. Adding my position. I gotta place my stop below. This one here below this candle. If you come back down, I'll be out of the trade. Let me see 4 hours. Place in there. So nice. We have a reversal here, trader. Let's see. We're going to have a new high. That reversal will continue for the new high. Let's see. CHF. I'm going to go to the new high. We have a new high. I'm going to take a loss on the trade, and I'll wait again. Another entry. Trading is hard, trader. Trading is very, very difficult, you know. Yeah. So you just need to take it easy, you know. Take it easy. You don't know. Trading is very, very difficult. Sometimes you do everything good, but it doesn't work. Doesn't work. Let's see what gold gonna do. It looks like there is a big volume here on gold. You see number changing quickly on gold. You see Australia breaking. It look like Australia want to break here. If you break here, I'm going to add my position on Australia here. If it come down here, I'm going to add in my position, and that time I'm going to double it here as well. I don't know if we're going to have a rejection there, because I'm here on my 150 SMA. 150 rejected and 150 SMA. We see a big rejection. You need to be careful. Very dangerous there. Big rejection in Australia there. We don't know yet what's going to happen. I want to see here. If you come here also, I'm going to enter the trade and place my stop just here above the 20. Let's see. Want to see our trade come in below the 20. Keep going. I will add. My position. Nice. I want to add here my position on US. I want to see the candle have to close first. I want to see this candle closing before adding here, because I don't want to see it drying again. I want to see candlestick close, new one. I think people get into this trade here for the long. Maybe they place their stop here below those technical analysis, or I don't know if here maybe the trade keep coming down. It might kick them out. I want to see the candlestick closing before enter the trade. We might still see those trade reversing up. It's possible, because those things you can't trust them, you know. Sometimes you think they're going down, and now they just reverse. Faites beaucoup attention. On peut toujours voir le marché monter vers le haut. Oh, sorry, man. That is what I was saying. Sorry. Yeah. Profit on gold only. Yeah, let's hope that gold gonna, give us something. Yeah. That is what I was saying. That this stuff, you can't trust them. Sometimes the market were on the uptrend. Normally, people were supposed to buy here, for the uptrend. Continuation up. Normally. But those things, they are, sometimes they don't do what we expect them to do, Sometimes, and they might still reverse at this level. It's possible. So I will be feeling comfortable if it break here. We have a next candle. You see, the next candle now came here. Inside candle. It didn't break to come down, but it opened inside candle, which means that we may see a reversal, which is possible. And the other guys hasn't break. They're still above the 20. Like CH here is still above the 20, which is very, very dangerous. So euro now coming down slowly. I will see if euro keep breaking. I may go down, for a short. Want to see euro pulling down far away from the technical analysis. I'm waiting to see this guy keep coming down so that I can add in my position. I want to add my position probably at this level. If you break here, I want to see breaking this level. Hopefully we won't have a reversal also on the go. Because nobody knows what the trade is doing, man. Nice. On Australia, I want to see Australia breaking there. And also we have a row here. For a break here, I'm going to enter the trade. I'm waiting. Gotta be careful. That is why it's important to take small. Don't enter. When I say small, it doesn't mean that you gotta trade small, but your first entry point should be just a little bit. You enter 1/3 of your total. I mean, each person has the way you trade. That is how I trade. My first entry point should not be my full quantity. No. Why am I going to allocate my capital on the trade I'm not sure? I need the trade to show me sign that it's taking my direction so that I can allocate more capital, give him more money. I can't give the trade more money the first time. No. But I see a lot of people trading like that. They enter once, but it's okay. Each person knows the reason why he's trading like that, But for me, I don't think that is the right way to do, because you don't need to put all your bet, You bet something with all your money. You're not sure if things gonna work. You just give him all your money. Small move, you gotta shake, You gotta shake. So I'm going to see if I can try to figure out to enter this trade here. I don't want to see a rejection. I want to see a continuation. Trader. See a continuation down. For me to put more money. I know that putting more money it's not guarantee that things gonna work, but might still have a reversal. Donc, comme je disais, vous mettre votre argent, vous mettez un tout petit peu. Parce qu'on ne sait jamais ce que le marché fera. Si le marché prend votre côté, là, vous pouvez ajouter. See a rejection. So I said that we can still have a reversal from there. But we don't know if it's just a retracement or a pullback. We don't know yet. Let's see. Give him more time. If I see a continuation down, I'm going to add here. See break here, I will add. So let's see. We see a pullback also on gold. I'm just on 3 trade. I want to see continuation down so that I can give them more capital. See it pull back. It looks like it's pulling back up. The speed. A lot of people were sitting there. See holding, trader. Australia coming back to my entry point. Let me see this guy here. Now we have a trend line, that level. Let's see if we break it. All right, we're broken the trend line, trader. That level. I'm going to see if I can take this small profit here, this small one, and get out of the trade. Get out of the trade and wait. Get out of the trade and wait. Broke the trend line there. We see a reversal. So I'm trying to see if I can go long. Trying to see. Gotta wait and see confirmation. Australia. I'm trying to also to enter my trade here. Took this one here. If I enter here, my stop gotta be far away. I prefer to go through US. Let me see US. I took now this guy here, Euro. Took just one trade now, this time, Euro. Let me see. Small. If I enter this guy here, I gotta place my stop below at the bottom of the candle. Here. Place my stop here below this candle. I don't want to give him too much. And there. Also, I can enter also this guy here. This one. Place my stop here below. Going long. Just 3 trades, small one. I'm taking US as well. Taking this one as well. Trader entering the trade here with a very tiny quantity. Let's see. Very small one. Took a long position. Gold is pulling back down too. If our trade go the new high, I'm going to add. Let's see. We're having a pullback. Still holding. We may see our trade pulling back down. It's possible. But let's see. We're approaching 9. Want to see a new high on Australia here. Want to see a new high there. Trading is hard. We need a lot of patience. Making money is very difficult, you know. Patience and a lot of discipline. Sticking on your plan. Want to see Australia breaking? See new high on Australia, almost. Is good. Other guys pushing down. Let's see. Close to my stop on CH. Coming back down. Gotta stop out on my trade soon. Out of CH. Coming down. Let's see. Coming close to new low. I gotta take my loss here soon. Wait a little bit. We don't have a rejection. That is what I was saying, that those stuff, they are very difficult to predict. So I'm taking the loss here, trader. Taking a loss. So this is where I was supposed to enter the trade. Let's see if we won't have a rejection. Took a lot there. Let's see. Okay, stopped out. I'm entering there. Placing my stuff here. one trade. Entering this one. That we enter for the downtrend. I took a short now. Okay, trader, if I give again here, it gotta be my max loss. I was for today, because you know, the trade could go and stop me out again. I will take the loss for today. This is the beginning of the year, January. It's hard to. This is a new pattern, new things. You know, everything we're trading last year. You know, those patterns are not forming anymore. I'm not seeing them here. Those are the new patterns. I have to study them. Not easy. You see, you take a trade here, you do this, you take here, you do this, you take, it's very, very difficult. So you gotta learn how to place a big stop, on the trade. That is what I see here. Very huge stop. For example, since I took the trade here, if I kept my stop above here and let the trade doing what it's doing right now, maybe would have get it. When I come back here, I don't shake, I leave it. Would have be the good way to trade. When you place a stop like the one I placed here above the 20, like this, we might get stopped out very easy. So we're still watching, we're still learning. Let's see. Don't know. If it doesn't go down, take a loss. Come back again tomorrow. Nothing I can do. If you're lucky to have a continuation down, we're fine. Add in my position, otherwise take a loss. We saw gold pulling back down. Let's see Australia breaking. US don't want to come down. After 9 here. Trying to see if I can go short also here on US and just place my stop above here. Not too far. I'll see here to add this level. I'm adding here, trader. Place my stop here, above. I'm waiting for start to break. I'm gonna keep seeing pushing down. I'm gonna see US breaking. I'm gonna see my trade. I'll add here, come down. some kind of downtrend. Want to see a continuation down that I can add here. Want to see Australia breaking there. I want to add here further. I'm adding here. Place my stop above. I'm adding here as well. Place my stop above. I'm taking this trade. Placing my stop here. Let's see. See holding. Place my target here, first target. My first target here. I want to see a break here so that I can add. See a rejection. See a rejection. See a rejection. Because my target will be here below, here. That's why my target, I was expecting to cover my trade. I don't get it. Take a loss. Lower my stop here. See a rejection. I'm going to see a push back down if we can. Otherwise, I'm going to take a loss. Out of Canadian, one of my trade. All right, I'm gonna get out here, trader. Taking this loss here. Prefer to take the loss. So taking the loss there for today. It's okay. Taking the loss there. I don't get it. I wanted to see a break here. But I don't get a break. I wanted to see my trade coming lower here. This point here. But I don't get it. Maybe one day I'll get it. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. So if this trade with everything I had here was coming down here, I could have have a lot of profit. I cover my losses, but that's fine for today. All right, trader, I prefer to stop like this for today. So come back again tomorrow. Let's see. It was a pleasure for me to trade. Trading is not easy. No. Trading is not easy. So gotta keep trying, doing the same thing every day. It's crazy, really. Trading is hard, so need to keep trying every day. Let's see. So, ça a été un plaisir pour moi de trade. Et je n'ai pas pu avoir le profit aujourd'hui. Nous allons revenir demain et réessayer encore. Ça, c'est ma deuxième journée. Ce mois de perte. Ça va? On va revenir encore, voir, essayer. Voilà. Donc, on se voit demain, même heure. Si tout le monde